Converting U.S. weights. We're going from ounces to pounds and pounds to ounces. In order to do that, we need to know how many ounces equals 1 pound. 16 ounces is 1 pound. Going from pounds to tons and tons to pounds, you need to learn that 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. Setting it up with the conversion factors. I take what I'm starting with, the 5 pounds, put it over 1 so I have a fraction. Set up my conversion factor. I have pounds on top. I want to get rid of pounds, so I put pounds on the bottom. I know how to go from pounds to ounces, so I put ounces on the top. 1 pound, 16 ounces. Notice with this, I set up my units before I put my numbers in there. Now I can take this and multiply the top, multiply the bottom, reduce where needed. 5 times 16. Pounds cancels pounds, and I have ounces left. My answer is 80 ounces. Going over to this one. 90 ounces is how many pounds? So again, I'm going to start out by setting up a fraction. Put it over 1. You can divide anything by 1, it does not change it. I want to open a conversion factor. I have ounces on the top. If I want to get rid of that, I put them on the bottom. Since I'm going to pounds and I know how to go directly to pounds, I put pounds on the top. 1 pound is 16 ounces. Reduce. 90 times 1. 1 times 16. I have to hold on to my pounds. And I have 90 over 16. What that is as a number? Calculator time. 90 divided by 16 equals 5.625. If you are allowed to answer it as a decimal, that is your answer. If you have to answer it as a mixed number, you want to turn that 0.625 into a fraction. So that would be 5 and 5 over 8 pounds. Your computer homework will force you to do one or the other, and it will tell you which one it wants. So you just have to know how to answer it, and for that, that's going to be on your calculator. Down here, we're going from pounds to tons. So I'm going to set this up as a fraction. I want to open my conversion factor. I put pounds on the top. To get rid of them, I put them on the bottom. I can go directly from pounds to tons. I know 1 pound is, see what I'm doing here? Got it backwards. This is why you set up your units first, because then you can look at your conversion factor and you know which side your number is supposed to be on. The 1 goes with the tons, 2,000 goes with the pounds. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, pounds cancels pounds, I hold on to tons, and I divide out that fraction. 11,000 divided by 2,000, 5.5. So I could answer it as 5.5 tons, or I could answer it as 5 1/2 tons. If you are required to give a decimal answer, the answer is 5.5 tons. If you are required to give a mixed number answer, the answer is 5 1/2 tons. Moving on to the last problem of this set, we're starting with the 8.3 tons. Put it over 1 so we have a fraction. Open the conversion factor. Tons is on the top. I want to get rid of it. I put it on the bottom. I want to go from tons to pounds. I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, reduce. Calculator time. $8.3 times 2,000 equals 16600 pounds. Done.